Hello and welcome to Data Detectives. Today we are going to see some scenario based questions related to Power BI. So these questions are actually very useful for interview purposes and also in real life scenarios like working in some industry or company. There you can use these types of methods to get the desirable output that you want from the Power BI. So the first scenario is to calculate the top N using the filters that is available in the Power BI. Okay, so this is the simplest way to do the top N or to get the top N categories. So for this scenario based question, we are using a sample superstore dataset. The link of the dataset is available in the description below, and there are several columns that are available in this dataset, but for our need we need only two columns. That is, one is subcategory. So there will be subcategories of products that will be available, and second will be the sales amount. Okay, second will be the sales amount. And now the question is to find the top three subcategories on the basis of sales, or you can say total sales amount. This is our problem statement, and we have to use here filters for solving this problem. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is, let me give you the steps that we are going to follow. That is, the first step is, first of all, we will create a measure for the sales amount, that is the total sales. So we will be creating a measure as total sales, and then we will use this filters that is available in Power BI to get our top three sub categories. Okay, this is a very simple scenario based question, because top n can be calculated using the DAX formulas as well. It can be static and dynamic as well. So we will cover all these things in the further videos, but we are starting with the basic method, that is calculating the top n categories or subcategories using the filters. Okay, so let's start. And first of all, let me just show you the total sales measure that I have created. So here you can see that this is the total sales measure that I am talking about. This is total sales, and we are using the sum function, and it is calculating the sum of sales column that is available. So it is a measure, as you can see that this is a measure, so it will give only single value. Okay, it will be giving only single value. We can verify this as well. Let us verify this. So for this we will be using a card for this. Let me show you. If I drag total sales here, you are getting a total sales of $2.30 million. Okay, but now we want our top n values on the basis of subcategories. So for that purpose, let's take the subcategory column that is available with us. Okay, and let's add the total sales also in this visualization. So we have added total sales. Here you are getting the visualization as bar chart, but instead of bar chart we will be choosing table, so that we can see the values as well, because our main focus is to calculate the top n, not the visualization. Okay, so here you can see that in the decreasing order of total sales, phones, chairs and storage are the top three subcategories. Now we only want to show only these three categories in our chart, but here you can see that we are able to see all the subcategories. So why, how, so how we can do this? Let's copy paste this table, and with the help of this with the help of this filters pane, what we will do is we will use this add data fields here, and we will add that data field on which we want to create the top n categories. So as you know, we want top n categories on the basis of subcategory. So we will place our data field here. Now subcategory has been placed, and now we will be using the top n that is available as a filter type, and we want to show only top 3 values. And by which value? That is by top sales. So we will add top sales here, and when we apply this filter, you will see that there will be only 3 rows that will be available, that is phones, chairs and storage, and these are the top 3 subcategories on the basis of total sales. So you can say that this is our final answer. This is our final answer for this scenario. Okay, now in the next video we will show you how we can use DAX formulas to calculate the same thing, that is top n values, or we can use top 3, top 5, anything. Thank you.